Wow, pepero. I always heard about this pepero snacks. Like, I was. 안녕하세요, 여러분. 저는 리안입니다. 만나서 반가워요. 오늘 언박싱 비디오로 할 거예요. 그래서 시작해요. So this is the random Korean snack box that I ordered from Haro Africa. I ordered it last week and it arrived yesterday. So I'll be opening what is inside this box. I don't know what is inside, so I'll be opening it. So let's start. It's already open here. Haro box. Okay. So is it? Wow. What is this? I don't know what this is. Oh. That is Cheetos. Wow. This is a lot of goodies inside here. I cannot just wait to try all these stuff. And the next one is tteokbokki. Wow, this looks like tteokbokki. It's looking like tteokbokki inside here. Next one is this. So this is butter cookie. Oh my god. This is my first time seeing Korean snacks like this. And this is HBAF garlic bread almond. Wow. And then wow, pepero. I've always heard about this pepero snacks. Like, I've always heard about pepero, but I haven't been able to try it. But I'm so excited, and I'm going to try pepero for the first time. Wow, I love this pepero. I've not seen this snack before. I've not seen this before. Oh, this looks like onion. Ganchambo. Ganchambo. Wow. Next is this. What are these? I don't know. Then I would like to try them all. I really wanted the banana milk. This milk is this Korean very small banana milk. It's not here. I'm disappointed because I've always wanted to try that milk. I've always wanted to try it, and I was thinking that it will come alongside this box. But in all, I love this. Yeah, I really like this because I've always wanted to try Korean snacks, and yeah, they are here. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.